Hello, welcome to Enrichment Impact, and today we're going to be talking about sea creatures. I'm Skylier Jackson, the host. She is
Jaeshia Jordan.
And so we're going to be going from the bottom of the Mariana Trench all the way to the top of the Mariana Trench. So the bottom of the Mariana Trench starts at 60 feet deep, so 60,000. And so at the bottom, there's just corals, and they grow really, really slowly. The time they grow, like the time takes like 3 years. So, and there's this like a worm type animal. Whenever it finds a good coral, it goes inside and it claims it as its home. So the corals, you might think that they're plants, but they're actually animals. They eat phytoplankton and zooplankton. Phytoplankton and zooplankton are not from SpongeBob. They play a really good role of cloud formation, and they provide most oxygen that we breathe. So like if we have trees provide 50, and then phytoplankton and zooplankton do the other 50. So that's what we got from zooplankton. And so and coral eats shrimp. Once it finds shrimp or zooplankton or phytoplankton, they grab it with these little tentacles that they have. Well, not tentacles. They're just little things that stick out. And they grab it, they go inside of it. And then the worm, I forgot the first name of the worm, but it has worm in it. So it grabs it, it searches from the best caught morsel, and then it grabs it, and then it steals it.
Let's start with the questions.
And so, and the thing that could kill the corals is urchins. But the worm has a surprising weapon. If you watch Our Planet on Netflix, Our Planet, at the high seas episode, just rewind it all the way to the bottom. I meant all the way to the end, like 5 minutes to the end, before the end, and you'll see that. And then you can come to this video and comment down below what you think its weapon is. So now after, do you got a question?
So what do you think about like starfishes?
Starfishes, I think that they're cool animals.
Yeah.
They're definitely one of the beautifulest animals in the ocean.
Like they shape like a star, like you know those stars in the sky.
Yeah, but like the thing is, how can you get your food to the bottom of you? How can you do that?
Right, like that's the main question.
And I know you're a mollusk, but you have suction cups that make you stick wherever you land.
Yeah.
It's like you're a relative of the predatory toucan. Like wherever you land, you stay. Like you stick there. It's like super glue.
It's weird.
Starfishes
are weird.
And you have suction cups. They're filled with little teeth, and you bite into a rock.
And then you just stick there.
Exactly. You stay there for the rest of your life until you starfish die whenever they
Like stay somewhere for a long time or whatever.
I forgot the word they replenish, something like that. Have a baby. They die whenever they have a baby, just like the predatory toucan. So, and now I got the idea of we don't just talk about mollusks. Formers of the squid. The giant squid, we just gonna start it off there. The giant squid lives at 13,000 meters down. Well, feet down. So, and the sperm whale versus the giant squid, the sperm whale is gonna win. And if you can find a video about sperm whales and giant squid, you'll figure out why. Comment that down below too. Now, another question?
I'm trying to think, but I don't really know what vitamin C.
You want to talk about?
Can it be like any?
Yeah, any.
Or does it have to be like from the bottom?
It could be like 60 to 50, no, like 17 meters.
Okay. So what do you think about like octopuses?
Octopuses, I think they're cool because they have lots. They're like basically underwater superheroes.
They're like very talented too.
Yeah, they're really smart, just like giant squid. They're really, really smart. So they have the ability to change color.
Like blend in with things.
Yeah, and they have the power to squirt out ink. I bet mostly everyone knows that.
Yep.
But
They squirt
did
out
you know
into their
that
feathers.
squids have a beak just like birds? So here's the thing: a giant squid is just a North America, well, Atlantic octopus. So the Atlantic octopus is as big as the giant squid. So here's the thing: the sperm whale is the apex predator of both of them because it has. So yeah, you'll figure it out. I just said that. You can comment down below if you know what it is, or you can just watch a video on YouTube. Or now we just gonna go to where a little bit higher.
Yeah.
To
Like
so we was at
sharks and dolphins or something.
13 feet. We going to what was it?
Like fishes swim in the middle of the water, right? Or the
They swim in the twilight zone. The like 65 meters down. Wait, no,
I'm
70.
trying to think of this one fish. I think it's called a catfish or something.
Oh, catfish?
Yeah. Like, what do you think about those?
Catfish are they have whiskers like cats, but they have a nose like a cat. So that's why they're called catfish, but they have fur too. Mostly, so that would mean they're mammals. There's a lot of sea animals that are mammals. So we got blue whale, dolphin,
Sharks.
yeah, sharks are mammals, and we're gonna go on land for a little bit. We got elephants, cheetahs, lions. Yeah, I said a little bit, so that's all you get. And there's another thing. There is a squid with horns.
Wait, what?
Yes, there is a squid with horns. It lives
Yeah.
like seriously. So if you like dig into the bottom of the Mariana Trench,
It's gonna be right there.
exactly. If
Like right there, but blending in.
yeah, it can the thing about that, the thing's big. It's really big. So you see this room? This room is as big as the giant squid. Right here is how big it is. The thing's gigantic. And the tentacles are just this long. And then the head is just gigantic.
It's bigger, almost bigger than the body.
And so now we're gonna go to 10 meters, 10 feet in the ocean.
Wait, so what's your like favorite animal? I mean, like your favorite sea animal.
Other than swordfish, I think it might be dolphins. Better dolphins.
I mean, I can tell why, but why?
Dolphins, they have so you know those little cords on those things by your house that gives you electricity? And if you listen really, really, really closely, you will hear a zzz, zzz. That's the exact same thing that dolphins do. They communicate with each other. They either do that to find a mate, or they do that just to find, just in case a dolphin noticed a place where it's filled with a lot of fish. And the thing about dolphins, they do not swallow. They don't swallow.
No, they don't.
It just melts inside of the
Inside
melts inside of their mouth, and then it goes inside of the tongue, and then the tongue transfers down to the stomach. And what they do swallow is air. All mammals need air, just like the blue whale. The blue whale has this nose-looking type thing on its back, the thing that blows water out.
like that little hole that water comes out.
Yeah, dolphins have that too, and they both breathe air. So now we gonna go. I forgot about something to tell y'all about all the way at the bottom of the Mariana Trench. There is a parrotfish, an ancient relative of a shark. Not just great white sharks or lantern sharks or okay.
Comment down below, like, what's your favorite animal, like sea animal, all the way from the bottom to like the top.
Yeah, we gonna wrap it
I'm
up.
gonna wrap it up now. Alright.
Make sure you watch Our Planet. There's a lot of good stuff about animals there, and just in case, go watch it. You never might know what you want to be. You could be an archaeologist, scientist. Just if you do something educational with your life. Don't just sit around and play Fortnite
And like stay in your room and just play games.
Exactly.
Try to do something in your life.
Like if you love sports, do it. Don't just sit around and watch TV. Do something.